Welcome, everyone, to today's lecture on buffer solutions in biological systems. We'll explore the importance of buffer solutions in maintaining stable pH environments within living organisms. What are buffer solutions? Buffer solutions are aqueous solutions that resist changes in pH when acids or bases are added. They consist of a weak acid and its corresponding conjugate base, or a weak base and its corresponding conjugate acid. In biological systems, buffers play a crucial role in maintaining pH homeostasis. Though pH and biological systems. pH is a measure of hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. Biological systems such as cells, enzymes, and proteins function optimally within specific pH ranges. Fluctuations in pH can denature proteins and disrupt biochemical reactions. Buffering capacity. Buffering capacity is the ability of a buffer solution to resist changes in pH. It's determined by the concentration of the buffer components and their pK values. High buffering capacity is essential for maintaining stable pH levels in biological environments. Equation. The equation relates the pH, pK, and the ratio of conjugate base to weak acid in a buffer solution. It's a fundamental tool for understanding buffer behavior and designing effective buffer systems. Biological buffers. In biological systems, several buffers are essential for pH regulation. Phosphate buffer system in intracellular fluids. Bicarbonate buffer system in blood plasma. Protein buffer system in cells and blood. Buffering in blood. The bicarbonate buffer system is crucial for maintaining blood pH around 7.4. Carbonic acid H2CO and bicarbonate ions HCO help balance respiratory and metabolic disturbances. Buffering in cells. Cells use protein buffers to maintain pH stability. Hemoglobin, for example, can bind to hydrogen ions, preventing pH changes that could affect enzyme function. Buffering in enzymes. Enzymes are sensitive to pH changes. Many enzymes have an optimal pH range for activity. Buffer solutions help maintain the required pH for enzymatic reactions. Conclusion. Buffer solutions are essential for maintaining stable pH environments in biological systems. They play a critical role in ensuring proper protein structure, enzyme activity, and overall cellular function. Understanding buffer systems is vital for grasping the intricacies of biological processes. Thank you for joining today's lecture on buffer solutions in biological systems. Feel free to ask questions or explore further on this fascinating topic.